Loving service claims all the details of life. At the end of each day, sana po yung dasal natin, Lord, you may now let your servant go in peace. Naibigay ko na ang lahat. Wala na akong naipagdamot. Wala na akong ipinagkait. Mission accomplished. I have lived a beautiful life. I am ready to go. So just 2 questions so that you can continue to reflect on our points when you go home and during this Holy Week. How close am I in following the example of Jesus? How close am I in putting on the mind and the heart of Christ?
Sabay tahaking krus na landasin, galak ay aking, hapis ay di pansin.